That's so crucially important to consider when you're weighing the pros and cons, the cost versus, oh, a thyroidectomy is covered by my insurance is, well, yes, it is. But what other costs are you going to have, both monetarily and both speaking of your health? There's so many benefits. And when you talked about the safety aspect, I want to talk about that for a moment. Because with these larger nodules, the thyroid is in the middle of your neck, and there are so many important things, critical structures in the neck. You have your esophagus and your trachea that everybody knows, where you breathe and where you swallow your food. But then you've also got all kinds of nerves. You've got the nerve that controls your voice, which also controls your ability to swallow. That's called the recurrent laryngeal nerve. You've also got the vagus nerve and the phrenic nerve, and you've got the carotid artery and the internal jugular vein. And all of these structures have to go through your neck. And if you are having a large nodule press on all of these, there's a little bit of risk for the thyroid kind of being close to things that you don't want affected by a thermal treatment like RFA or microwave ablation. And so it can be more risky for patients to have, like with my case, a very large nodule that's kind of impeding on all of these structures, and then the heat will travel through the neck into those areas. And so the safety of nsPFA is that there is no heat. There is no risk of damage to these other structures in the neck. And so I can see why Dr. Tofano recommended it in your case with such a large nodule.